Never let your loneliness drive you to toxic relationships. You feel lonely and you want to go back to that person who was abusing you. So sometimes you have to learn to stay alone, because sometimes, guys, it is going to be worse, because now you go back to that person and you are the one who says to your partner, let's go back together. So your partner can take advantage of you and start. When he was abusing you, he is doing it more, or maybe twice times, because maybe he thinks that you are desperate, or she thinks that you are desperate. You can't live without them. So sometimes, guys, you have to learn to live alone in your life, even you don't have a new partner, because sometimes maybe you feel lonely or what. But to go back to your toxic relationship, it is going to be worse. So sometimes you can say maybe it will be better. What, guys? A person can't change. It's very difficult a person to change, because you go back to a toxic relationship, you have a hope that your partner maybe is changed. Guys, it is difficult a person to change, guys. When a person to change their characters, it's very difficult. So don't go back to a toxic relationship, because it looks like maybe you are the one now who is forcing who is forcing that person, and you are look like you are desperate.